Assalamualaikum. I am Ahmed Jaiduddin Rahat, team member of Comma. So from the project selection, I selected the project POS inventory management system. In this project, I have used technologies Django for backend, and from frontend I use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and for backend frontend integration I use asynchronous JavaScript XML, and for designing I also use material design. So let's discuss about my project structure, how it's work. So there are two types of users. One is admin, who is the owner of the shop or inventory, and another one is cashier, who will sit before the cash and manage the sales sales or everything. So admin can manage his cashier, vendor database, purchase database, his product database, sales database, and everything he can manage as he has the owner ability of the his shop. And cashier can update vendors details, purchase details, and product details, and cashier can generate receipts details according to the customer's requirement or customer demands or the customer purchases, and according to the generate receipts, sales database will be updated, and when any product returned by any customers, the product will be updated in the database, and any product is purchased from the vendor, it will be updated in the product database also. So that's the structure or theoretical details of my project. So let's dive into the models, how it's have been designed, and for that where there is cashiers, cashier are will be created by the admin, and it will have the login access when admin created the cashier, and and they can create category under cashier, or there will be many products, and vendor will be existed and purchase order items from the vendor also, and sales items will be handled when customer purchase anything from the stores, and return request will be accessible when any product will be returned in the store. So that's the model of my project. And next to the I also built the Django framework for the API integration, where API integration Django framework I have built this root API where we can access these APIs from the easily can be handled. So next to the view.py of my project, where details of my project will be described. So first of all, user can log in and log out. User means admin and cashier can log in, log out, and there will also be home page where dashboard will be existed about the details of the our POS inventory, and cashier will be managed by the admin, and cashier can be managed, and cashier will be saved, and cashier also can be deleted, and categories also be created, managed, and set, and also be deleted, and vendors also be created, managed, and saved, and deleted also, and edited also. So product will be created under different categories, where it will have details of the product and this is the product view.space, and we can edit the product also, and we can also delete the product. And when purchase new product, we in the database which will update the already existing product, and it will increase its quantity, as I handled it also when purchases product from a specific vendor. And we also can delete purchase for remove data from our database. And POS point of sales management, where the main feature is to handle the cashier to sales different type of products. For that I use that, and where checkout model have the grand total will be in the output, and sales list will be when item will be selected by the cashier, all the details will be updated here, and receipts will be generated after transactions have been done here. And that's the backend of the project. In the UI, there is a base URL where from where everything is handled, and the navigation bar where only admin has the access of the dashboard or details of the sales of the shop, and he can also handle cashier list as I handled in this way. That admin can only access this to navigation bar, and other cashier or anyone can access the category list, vendor list, product list, purchase order, or POS, or sales, or return, and everything can be accessed by others. So in the login page, we can log in our user password and username and user password. So let's dive into the project UI, how it's work at all. So that's the UI for the admin, as they are mentioned that this is admin. So admin has a dashboard where we can access today's daily transaction, how many transactions have been done, and today's sales, and how many products and which categories products are there. So cashier list will be exist here where admin can add cashiers. So just example, we can add one cashier. As cashier 1 already exists, we can add other cashier 2, and email will be added, and password must be given, and error also handled. If I handle this way, it will say password doesn't match, so I have to give the right password. So the account type is cashier, so I have to match the password is still potential, so correct the password. Cashier is created, and we can handle this. As admin has the access of every sidebar, he can what to access of everything. So let's log out from this one and log in as a cashier 2 just created, and password. So login as cashier 2 is exists, and you can see the sidebar is congested and some data have been removed also. So cashier 2 is here and cashier 1 is here. Cashier 1, I can log in with other cashier 1 as is login as a cashier 1, and is have the access of this things. And how many products are there? These are the products and already categories list. How many categories lists are mentioned, and vendor list, how many vendors, and we can add vendors, edit vendors also, delete vendors also according to our requirements. So already products inactive, active is also handled if there are any issues. So active products will also only see in this list. No other products will be seen. So let's make and also have that sales list and also have returns list. So let's look at how many products are there. There are 55. So let's about some potatoes, and each one will be decreased. So potatoes quantity will be 4 kgs, and we'll edit. So 4 quantity and 25 is the price, data is the price, and add another one is this mojo, bought 2 mojos, and it will be updated here, and grand totals will be updated in the according to the calculation. So we can also handle from that also. So let's check out this, and it will say how many I have to pay. If I give less money, it will say that is lower amount, so I have to give the accurate amount, so it will show the how many cents I have to give him. So if I save that, and data will be generated, and cashier 1 managed by cashier 1, it will be shown there, and every details will be shown here. You can print the receipt also. So that's the receipt I printed. That's the receipt where we can give it to our customers, and we can see also that data have been updated as we purchase something, and product details is updated here. As we saw, drinks is decreased too, and vegetables, potatoes is decreased also. And we have the sales, 2 items have been sales, and it's also shown here. And if any products have been returned by the users, it's also in the here. So let's assume potatoes, and it sales category 2 quantity is removed, and it's extra have gotten. This will be updated in the database, product database also. As we show, there is 26 and now 28. So everything was handled successfully, and there can also to cashiers where they can update this one and update customers sales or buy things. And when vendors are purchased by the vendors, we can show that resume drawing. We want to buy a office, so office 4, and it will be updated in the database product also. Let's see that there was 61 where previous one is 75, so it's also updated, and active and active is also working fine. So everything is checked well, and everything is handled, and we can also log out from that portion, and we use DBSQL for the handling the database also. So that's the project details of my project was inventory management system. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.